going to go push his bike over in a minute.
Right, welcome to part 7?
8.
8, 6, 7. I'll put it in the description anyway. But
I think it's 8.
I don't know. It's been that long. We're just trying a new format out here, so you can see we're using a new camera. We'll still use GoPros and phones and whatever, but we just thought we'd try this out. Plan for today, Sam?
Engine back in.
Fingers crossed.
Hopefully. Everything is ready to sort of go back in. We've had a good clean up under here. The weather's been cack for the past
couple of weeks,
weeks.
As you've seen from when we was doing the soft top in the snow
And
in the garage.
Been busy at work as well, so
Yeah, we'll see how this
taking
goes.
a bit of a backseat.
We're just testing this out, so it should be alright. We'll see. Right. So, plan, Sam.
We're going to stick them back together.
Yeah, sounds like a plan, we like it. So yeah, so we've got everything out. Intentions today, hopefully, will be to get this in. We hope. Thing is, we've got a really nice day for it today. And
Weather's moving in after this, isn't it?
yeah, apparently it's supposed to get quite poopy. So yeah, we shall see. But yeah, cool, let's get it on. So from the time lapse you can see a bit of a success there. So we've successfully just married up the gearbox to the engine.
Still got some brackets and stuff to get on, haven't we?
Yeah. But we've got it in. I think that surprised me, to be honest. I genuinely thought that'd be one of the harder bits, but we've got it married, so it'll just be a case of getting all the bolts together, getting it in, checking all the brackets that you can see over there are all good. And then we've got the lift, and what we're going to do is probably going to roll the manta out. Because last time, if you remember from the video, we had snags getting it because of this. The top of the garage was catching it, so it was a bit of a jiggery. So we're hoping if we've got a bit more space, we should be all right to get it out anyway. So happy days.
Now, when we took this out, there was, I'd be surprised if this has been messed around with much, but there was no washers or anything on these, so I presume that's how it comes from the factory. It was working before, so we're going to not use any washers again.
Yeah. It was like that when I found it.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Yeah. Right. So. Right, banging. We are now all tightened up. Sam's got a nice smile on his face.
It's good.
Yeah, so we're all tightened up. We've got the brackets in at the side there. As you can probably see, we'll time lapse anyway, or it's getting time lapse.
There's a bracket just at the bottom as well, which covers the bottom half of the, if you can see it.
Yeah.
Like a bracket down there, which covers the bottom half. get it back in, weren't we? So I'm going to get it sort of down in position. So drop the gearbox end, get it down in position. Get it on the engine mount so I can pivot it on the back end. And then I'm going to go inside the car, stick the gear stick in place, put the pin through from underneath.
Do you know, as soon as we started recording,
Yeah.
we fired his bike up.
Oh no, standard, isn't it? He's watching us, he's waiting for us to fire that bloody thing up.
As soon as we start recording, every time.
Right.
So yeah,
Where was I? What were we doing?
good to go, aren't we?
Pretty much, yeah. But the point is, we want it like, if that's the gearbox end there, we want it like pivoting on the engine mounts. And then, yeah, gear stick in, then I can get the gearbox mount in, and then we're in. But also, to make it a little bit more complicated, we've got to slide the prop shaft in as well.
Yay! We should be good. Right, let's get on with it.
Close.
We are close. The minute I put that on, I'm not even kidding, mate. You can hear the motorbike in the background. It's been quiet for the last 10 minutes while we haven't been recording. The instant we press play or record,
I'm going to go push his bike over in a minute.
so anyway, we're really close. We've had to rejig it, all that jazz. Whew, and it's really warm today. You won't believe it's February.
Still,
Yeah, you're just looking blankly at the camera.
I look blankly at everything.
Yeah, right, Sam, explain what we've done.
So just because we need a bit of like movement on the back end, we've not put the gearbox mounts on yet. So we've just popped the gear stick through from the inside of the car, put the pin through, and that's all in now. So now we can jack up the gearbox completely and put the mounts in, and that's it, it's back in.
Happy days.
Which is good.
On a good note though, before we put the gearbox mount on, got a nice little short shifter. I think that looks pretty cool, man, to be fair. How about you? Just leave it like that? Leave the gearbox mount off, it'll be fine.
I don't know. I think it's been a long day.
Yeah, it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Right,
Left.
jack it up. Jack it up.
Jack it up. Do we need to jack it up? Sorry, on axle stands.
The gearbox.
The mounts.
I've got to jack the back of the gearbox up so the mounts reach the...
That should then hopefully...
Bring all this into line then, because it's on a jaunty angle at the minute.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see it on camera, because the sun's going a bit. It's just slightly set off at an angle, which, if you look at the mounts, it's set on the mount nicely there and there, but because the gearbox is lowered, it's just sort of
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, gearbox.
Let's do it. Back to time lapse. Alright, Sam the man, what's happening?
Clutch in.
Everything's in, innit?
We've got a clutch pedal. Little bit of adjusting around there. There's a big sign on it saying don't adjust underneath there, but we had to.
The engine's out, innit? You've got to adjust it.
Yeah.
But we're at the point now, I think, where
We're thinking about just popping the cylinder head on and then it's just sat there.
we're about at that point where we was when we started, wasn't we?
Yeah, more or less.
So we've got the bit out we needed, gearbox was out, everything's all now back in, everything's as it should be. So now, really, it's a process of...
Bonnet back on probably, I'd say.
Oh yeah, bonnet, we took that off.
Yeah.
Which was
We
amazing.
just, we didn't have the room to move, so we had to take it off.
Yeah.
But yeah, probably bonnet on and then we'll think about getting the cylinder
I think
head
we'll
back
get the cylinder head on, don't you?
on. Yeah.
Cool. Right, let's do that. got the.
We're keeping the momentum going. We're just going to pop the cylinder head on.
We've got.
We're not going to torque it down or anything. We're just going to
get it on.
Just go on.
We've put the new head gasket on, as it is there. Oh, remember, this car's 33 years old. 33 years old. Looking good. And we've got loads. Sorry about this. This video is going to be really long. Right, where do you want me? This side.
If I take this bit here, we need to be quite careful, like lining it up.
I'll just hold the weight.
About there. Okay, right over there. What can we use? A tapper, a big spanner or something?
We've got a big spanner. Don't try this at home, folks. Make sure you use the right tools. Right tools for the right job. Sorry, you're just getting my body in this terrible angle.
Okay.
I'll blank this out.
What's going on?
Right, so that's the end then. Well, end of this video. Again, we're just trying something different. See how the cameras and all that work out, and the sound and all this sort of stuff. But yeah, so the gearbox is and the engine's successfully in. Tightened down, all the bits are attached now, aren't they? So
yeah, clutch is might need adjusting a little bit,
but that's it now. As we said in the last video, it's just a rebuilding process. So hopefully, we've been working hard today. See you around. So yeah, that's it.
like one pair of gloves.
Yeah, and then let me have them. So big part of the job done. We had to make the most of the weather today because it was beautiful.
Been stunning, yeah.
Yeah, and we've had a good 3 or 4 hours at it, so
Yeah.
hopefully this video is only be about 10 minutes long, but it won't be. But like and subscribe, all that sort of stuff. We're gaining more people every time. People are watching the videos, which is great. This is, you know, we're not doing it for the money. It's just good fun for us, and we'll catch you next time. Hopefully, it'll be a case of
Rebuilt. It's all just putting the ancillaries and stuff back on now, isn't it?
yeah,
Which is
trying
nice.
to figure out where everything goes.
Yeah.
Happy days. Cool.
Laters.
Laters.